Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Kristen and today I'm going to do a video using chalkboards. So I picked up some chalkboards from Dollar Tree, mostly Dollar Tree, a couple from Family Dollar and some from Michael's. I am also going to be doing a giveaway with some of the items that I did make in here, so make sure you stay tuned to figure out how to enter that giveaway. So let's get into the video. Okay, so this first DIY is the simplest out of the bunch. So you're just going to grab two of these signs from Dollar Tree. And I just wasn't feeling the pumpkins. I did actually save them just in case somewhere down the line I wanted to use them. I liked the background or the scrapbook, paper, whatever they put on the back, but I wanted to add some of these chalkboard ornaments. So I had a pumpkin left over and then I had this pack of leaves. So I decided just to put that little sponge foam on the back just to make them stick out like the pumpkins did. Grabbing some hot glue, and then I also am just using that twine or the little ornament hangers that these pieces came with, and I'm just going to be putting some bows over the little holes, and that is it for this one. It is such an easy DIY to do. This chalkboard I recently found at Dollar Tree, and I love this gingham pattern. I had one of these galvanized thankful signs, so I decided just to add that to the center. You could definitely do something a little more extravagant with this. You could add stickers or something like that. That was another option I had in mind, is to use some Dollar Tree stickers, but I think this one is so cute. You could add it to the middle of a wreath, or you could just have it sitting on your shelf like I do. Chalkboard sign I actually picked up at Family Dollar, and I think this was $1.25 or $1. So this truck I already redid and for a different DIY video, so I will link that if you guys want to check it out. But I just wanted to add a little more extra to this truck. I love this piece. It's one of my favorites, I think, and it was so easy to do, so simple. And then I just glued it to that chalkboard, and then I just use pre-made images on Cricut. So I don't know the fonts or whatever they use. I just go with whatever is already pre-made in the Cricut design space. And I liked this Hello Fall, and if you just type in Hello Fall on the images in your Cricut design space, you will find it as well. And then I'm just using my scraper tool, and I also am using the Cricut transfer tape. I really like this stuff. I don't have an issue with it, except sometimes when I use the smart vinyl, since it's so thick, it is a little bit harder to do, but that's all I did for this one. I love this. This chalkboard came from Michael's. I want to say it was $2 or $2.99. I loved it. I love the burlap around it, and I just went back into my Cricut, into Cricut Design Space, and they had that Farm Fresh pumpkins pre-made, and then I just stuck that in the Cricut Design Space, and then also looked up pumpkins and just added those pumpkins and attached my vinyl decal together, cut it out so it is one, and I just used some yellow vinyl, and I think this is cute. So I picked up this floral arrangement. This was 70% off the $12. This was at Dollar General. And I'm just pulling out the pine and anything that looks Christmassy. Yes, I did save those. I don't know why I saved all the extra stuff, but you just never know. And I wanted to make a floral fall piece, centerpiece. So I'm using some of those pumpkins, little crochet pumpkins, and then some florals. And I think the florals are from Michael's, but they're 98 cents there, so super cheap, just like Walmart. I love their florals as well, and you can pick up items like that for under $1. But I think this is so cute. I was so excited to use these pumpkins. I've had these since the beginning of, well, Dollar Tree's fall time. We'll go there since it's still summer, it's not fall officially. And then I'm just adding that Farm Fresh pumpkin sign. Don't worry, I did take off the tag. I didn't even realize it was on there. right until I was sticking it in the floral arrangement. But I think this one has to be a favorite of mine. Larger chalkboard easel. This actually came from Family Dollar and it was $3. They do have smaller ones at Dollar Tree, and if you have a Dollar Tree Plus, maybe they have these as well. I am not lucky enough to have a Dollar Tree Plus in my area, but I just cut out a pre-made image once again on Cricut. I love using my Cricut, and if you don't have one, you could always use stickers or whatever. I don't know. I love having a Cricut. I think it just makes decor look super high end, and I'm going to show you right here that sometimes weeding and transferring your vinyl piece is not always the easiest. You see the apple picking is not correct. I do end up adding the E and the G at the end, and that pumpkin everything is a little messed up, and I'm going to show you a little bit closer what it looks like. I think these do come off very simple on a chalkboard. I love using vinyl on chalkboards. It really does make it easy, unless you're dealing with this little G that got away and this E. And like I said, that pumpkin everything, that was awful. It was twisted and tangled, and I had to turn the camera off. That's what it looks like. I had to turn the camera off and fix it. It took forever. But that is it for this. I left it pretty simple, and then I just threw some color in the back, and I think this is so stinking cute. This next one, this chalkboard, I want to say this was from Michaels too. I want to say this was $2 from Michaels. I could be wrong. I want to say these are from Michaels. I'm using Chalkature. I love silkscreen transfers. I love Chalkature. I love using them. I'm not sure exactly what paste I'm using. I will link the color of the paste in the description box below if you guys want to check it out. I think they are older colors, but I mean, there's always a yellow. There's an orange right now. So yeah, I want to say the yellow is from spring. Anyways, I will let you guys know the colors in the description box below. But I'm just doing like every other, making a little pattern of yellow and orange, yellow, orange, and I just love doing this. I think it is so fun. I think this is one of the most relaxing crafts I've ever done. I'm using a detailed tool. Anyways, it gets in some little nicks and crannies when you need it with Chalkature. Love pulling it back to see what it looks like in the end. And then, of course, this was just a little plain, so I decided to add a gingham bow. I pick up all of these from Amazon, and I link them for you in the description box if you guys want to check out inexpensive bows. They're already pre-made. Maybe you can get them cheaper if you make them, but I am all about buying bows. And this is what this one looks like. Okay, and what some of you may or not be waiting for is my giveaway. I have not done a giveaway in a hot minute on my channel, but I'm giving away these two pieces I'm be making right here, and I will give a little bit more specific with it. So this one is a little easel. This is from Dollar Tree, and this says, "I love you more than pumpkin anything." I'm using bright white, eucalyptus, and that fun little orange. I forgot to film doing this, but you get the whole gist of it when I'm using Chalkature and adding that gingham bow. So if you guys want to win this piece, all you have to do is leave a pumpkin emoji in the description box to have a chance to enter this giveaway for this piece. So this one right here, I'm going to be using a chalkboard from Michaels. Once again, it was the same as the one with the pumpkin, and I'm using this Hello Autumn Chalkature transfer. I will also link Chalkature in the description box below, and I do make a commission anytime anyone purchases with my link. I just want to let you guys know that. I think most do, but anyways, I'm using this Hello Autumn. I think this is from last year, and I'm using that orange and that yellow again along with that bright white, but this is my other giveaway item. So if you guys want to win this item, you just have to leave a leaf emoji in the comment section down below. Maybe I said description box with the other one. So if you guys want to win this Hello Autumn chalkboard, you just have to leave a leaf emoji in the comment section. If you want to win that easel chalkboard, it says "I love you more than pumpkin anything," leave a pumpkin emoji in the comment section, and I will just have my kids probably just pick a name with their finger. I mean, they don't know who comments. They don't know who comments often. And, it's just, I thought this would be a fun giveaway, and it's just easier if my kids pick, then I don't feel like I'm cheating anybody out because they don't have a clue. Maybe I'll have my 6-year-old do it. She is just learning how to read. So there's that. This is what this one looks like when it is done. I think this is beautiful and I love it. But like I said, if you guys want a chance to win the giveaway, leaf for the Hello Autumn, pumpkin for the More Than Pumpkin Anything sign. That is it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please make sure you give this video a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, consider sticking around and subscribing, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye!